Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Richmond Hill, local and long-distance movers near me. If you are moving 100 miles or more, then it's considered a long-distance move. You could be moving within the state, between states, or even across the nation. This type of move requires the services of a long-distance mover, and this is one of the services we offer. We take away the stress of having to carry bulky boxes and heavy loads by yourself. We will disassemble and reassemble your furniture if you need packing supplies. We will provide them. We will even pack for you if you are unable to do it yourself. Our services are fast, efficient, safe, and cost-friendly. If you're moving less than 100 miles, whether it's across town, within the state, or even across the state, it is considered a local move. We will meet all your moving needs, whether you are a student, homeowner, or business. Save time on your local move by letting us do all your heavy lifting work for you. We provide a truck or trucks that will haul your belongings and furniture from your house. Let us be the ones to worry about navigating our way to your new location. We will help you move and maneuver your belongings to your new location in no time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Richmond Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.